Hey everyone, it's TYsPACKnPLAY. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for a new-ish company that is actually out of Sweden. This company is called TYsPACKnPLAY. I'm going to put all the information and the links in the description below so that you can take a look and see all the packers. So I have a box here. I have not opened it. I've had it for like a week and I'm like dying to see what's inside. But I wanted to make sure that I could show you exactly what the box looks like when you get it in the mail. So I would say from Sweden to the United States, I'm in New Jersey. It took maybe 2 weeks to get here, I feel, and I feel like they sent it to me just like regular post. So let me just block out my like information so that you can't see my address. But you have the customs declaration over here, and because everyone's always wondering, do they say like prosthetic or packer or anything like that, they put it down under a gift. I think that's because of like duties and things like that, because this is technically a gift because I didn't pay for this because they sent it to me to review. However, I'm sure that if they send it to you and you bought it, they have to actually write that it's a commercial product that you bought. So I'll just tell you though, it doesn't look like they write packer or anything like that. So let's open up this box. Oh, fancy. Okay. This is really cute. They left me a note saying like, thank you for offering to review, because I messaged them. I'm like, hey, I'd like to review it. They also sent me a box of chocolate, which they look like they're maybe like either French or Swedish or German chocolates. I'm not 100% sure, but I thank you so much. This is very, very sweet. These are unfortunately not vegan, so I can't eat them, but I work with some really awesome people who love chocolate, and I will watch them eat it and pretend like I'm enjoying it myself, but I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Okay, look at this. We got a box. Woo, girl. What do we got in here? Okay, first thing, something squishy. We got something squishy. This is what it looks like. Also, these little things that you're seeing are from like the packaging. They have like inside, it's to protect the packaging, so whatever, it's just part of it. So let's open this up. Okay. Ah, we love a squishy packer. I wonder if this is 100% silicone, because it feels like a little bit sticky, but usually with silicone that's like very soft like this, it usually is very sticky, but this isn't like tacky, you know what I'm saying? Like it's a little bit. So let me bring that up to you right over here so you can see the details. It's uncut, which we love. So this is their packer. I don't have the exact name of it, so I'm just gonna say this is number 1. And the reason why I'm doing this unboxing is so that if there's a prosthetic that you see here that you absolutely want like a specific question answered, put it in the comments below and write down the specific prosthetic that you're talking about. So when I do the review, I actually can answer your questions, because these reviews are for you. Okay, so far I'm impressed. I really like the squishiness of this. So this will be like packer number 1, uncut. So if you have questions about this one, in the comments. All right. Ooh, okay, this looks like it's an STP. Maybe? Is this an STP or is this for sex? I'm gonna say this is maybe for sex. I'm a little bit confused because there's a hole, but if you look through the hole, there is like a pee hole, but it's not like open, like it's closed off. Or is it open? Oh, maybe it is open. I can't tell here. Anyways, it doesn't matter. I will take a look, but this will be number 2. It's very, very light because there's not that much silicone, because this big hole kind of goes through the entire peen. Loving the color here. They also have other shades on their website, and I'm really, really glad. So the people who make this and who are actually the owners of the company are trans people of color, which is great and not very common in this industry of prosthetics and making prosthetics, so we love to see it. All right, and then the final thing that I got here, I believe, oh my goodness, this is long. Oh my, is a STP? Yeah, okay, look what we got here. Nice and long, nice and floppy. Some people like to pack big, no shame in that. Got some detail on the head. This will be number 3. And this is definitely an STP because you can see this part over here is a cup to pee in. Now, I'm gonna tell you right away, it looks like to me the hole is a little bit too small. However, this company is very awesome and has actually asked for my feedback on some of the prosthetics. So I will tell you right away, my first feedback when I finish this video is I'm gonna tell them to make the pee hole a little bit bigger. So just so you know, in the actual review, I'm gonna let you know if they do change the pee hole, but if I'm looking in, you won't be able to see this, but I find the pee hole is just a little too small. So yeah, I would just recommend to them to like make it a little bit bigger because you can't really see, but yeah, it's kind of hard to see, but a little bit bigger pee hole would be greatly appreciated, I believe. And there is no rod or anything that goes in here, but you could use this as a pack and play, right? This company is called TYsPACKnPLAYs. So I'm wondering if they have rods that are available to buy on their website, or because they're a newer company, if they don't have those available yet. So if you have any questions about number 3 over here, please put them in the comments. And of course, during the review, I will absolutely let you know if there is a rod that you can use to insert this, because this could be a really nice pack and play and like 3-in-1, because you can pee and this usually like rubs up against the wearer so that you can feel it. So very interesting design, and excited to see the questions that you have for this, and I'm excited to use this because I do have some rods from like other companies that I can put in here to kind of test it out. Hey, Beauty. Beauty came into the camera and ruined all the focus of the camera, but you know what I'm saying anyways. All right, thank you so much, TYsPACKnPLAYs, to send me this so that I can do an unboxing and do a review, and I will definitely like talk to them about like the pee hole thing and ask them about like rods for the pack and plays and whatnot. And you just have to let me know what questions you have in the comments below. All right, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye.